Hey guys, if you had the Angel Contour machine that came with your course, this video is going to be for you. I'm going to be covering two topics. Number one, how to plug in and operate your machine, and number two, how to wrap your machine before a treatment so there is zero cross-contamination. Let's get started. If you have the Angel Contour machine, I want you to flip it over to the back. And you're going to see four different ports here. The one on the left, the silver port, is for power. So when you plug in your machine, you're going to grab your power cord and it's going to plug in right there on the left. The next one in red is for your foot pedal. I love the foot pedal, guys, because you're going to be turning that button on and off during your treatment multiple times. So to be able to use your foot is an incredible thing. For the foot pedal, you can see the cord that comes with your foot pedal. It'll attach right to this. So you'll put this on your floor and you'll plug in the cord into the red part right here. It even says foot on the label there, and that will activate your foot pedal in order to turn the machine on and off as you're working. The other two, it's going to say Canal B and Canal A. They're both gold ports right here. This is where you're going to plug in each of your hand pieces. The reason there's two, and what I love about this machine, is you could actually do two different treatments in the same appointment, like one for brows and one for eyeliner. That way you can have cartridges and colors set up so you can have a very efficient appointment. So plug it in there and you're going to see how that matches as we proceed to show you the rest. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in the power here and turn on the digital screen. In order to turn your machine on, you're going to press the power button, and you'll see on the digital screen, it's going to tell you A, or it'll tell you B if you switch over to the B hand piece. So it'll be A and B, and you can switch back and forth between the A and B hand pieces by pushing this button. You do not need both hand pieces in order to work the machine. So say, for example, you're doing one treatment. If it's brows or eyeliner, you can just put one hand piece in and switch it to the appropriate outlet, so the one that matches A or B on the back. So we have it set to A. Now we want to adjust the speed of our needle. So in order to adjust the speed, we can hit down for slower or higher for faster. For powder brows, we do recommend a speed of 150 for your treatment. So in this case, you would hit the plus button until it says around 150, right? And then in order to hit the start button for your machine to turn your handpiece on and off, if you're not using the foot pedal, that is, you're going to hit the drive button. And pushing drive will turn it on, and then pushing drive will turn it off. And you can turn it on and off as you go throughout the treatment without having to reset your speed. Hope that helps.